Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and the exact deadlines. Read your qualification rules now so you don't miss dates. Once you know you qualify, collect your student number, ID and current module codes, plus the codes for the course you want. Then find the official change of qualification or module form, either download it from my Unisa or prepare the online application, so you can begin the formal submission immediately. Now complete the application carefully. Write a concise motivation explaining why the change improves your study plan and career goals. Once done, submit the form and all supporting documents to your faculty advisor or via the official portal, and ensure signatures where required. Make sure to record the application reference number and keep scanned copies. That helps you follow up if there's a delay and clarifies what you submitted when approvals are reviewed. Finish by monitoring your My Unisa record to confirm the new qualification or module enrollment appears, and verify any fee adjustments or financial aid changes are applied. Once confirmed, request credit transfers for completed modules if applicable, so nothing is lost. If the change is declined, ask for written reasons immediately, then appeal or resubmit with the missing evidence, keeping timelines in mind, and contact your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.